This is my Traxxas TRX4m Bronco, and it's a great little truck, but it's geared a little bit too high for regular slow crawling. So I just got these low speed gears for it, and I don't feel like filming it, so we're gonna put it in Kevin Talbot style. Ready, 3, 2, 1, boom! There we go, it's all set. Now I can take it outside and test it out. So far, the new gears work great. They're super helpful. They make the truck so much more controllable. It's a lot easier just to climb up things slowly instead of having to jump over stuff. But you can still get some decent wheel speed if you need to hop up on an obstacle. If you want to see another awesome video about this truck, click right here for that. And if you want to see a full playlist about videos on this truck, click right here for that, and I'll see you over there.